How to use Shopify online application. In this video, I will show you how can you easily use the application Shopify. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly, you need to either open the application or go to its official website on any of the web browser. Once you open the application, if you are new to it, you need to provide your email address and then click on Start Free Trial. After that, if you have been using Shopify physical shop, you need to provide your store name and then click on Next. Now, as you are new in this application, you need to complete 4 tasks, that is to add your first product, add brand asset and a custom domain, and lastly customize the theme. After you are done editing all the 4 tasks, now you will be entering in the official homepage of Shopify, where you will see a lot of options. Once you go to the settings below the left hand side menu, there by choosing the option of themes in sales channel, you will be able to choose the theme for your whole application. Now if you want to see your own product or other products, you can simply go to home page and search for any particular item, or just you can see the feed of your own. Now, to customize your own product, you can click on Customize beside the product which you just published. Now, if you want to add any product in the Shopify application, simply go to Products in the menu at the left hand side and click on Add Product. Then provide the details related to your product and then you can click on Post. So that's it. That is how easily you can use Shopify application. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.